It's craft time with Netty. I'm Wrigley.
Hi everybody, it's your friendly neighborhood Jeanette and Wrigley. And quarantine is hard, life is hard, cooking too many things is hard, decision making is hard, but you know what's not hard? Snacking. Snacking is not hard, and I have a great replacement for your regular chips and popcorn from things you might already have in your pantry. Here are the ingredients. You will need a box of Cheerios,
Weiss Toasted Oats, not a sponsor, could be.
a giant half stick of butter, a pan, some wine, and you can have your choice of Prosecco breakfast, white wine or red wine, lunch, dinner, or any time of the day.
Wow, that's amazing. Don't forget to fry them. Toast the fried Cheerios until they're golden, which is about 5 to 7 minutes. Time is meaningless. It's always advisable to drop some. Yes!
Feel free to flavor it up. I'm gonna have mine classic with some sea salt, or you could do cinnamon sugar on the other,
Cinnamon sugar, not a sponsor, could be.
or you can do almost any flavor that you enjoy. And then go ahead and indulge. Mimosa style,
American widget.
wine style,
Dog wine.
celebratory style, whatever you think. Fitted sheet, unfolded. No one likes to fold them anyway. Drink the mimosa, eat the Cheerios, pour the wine, build the fort. Godspeed.
USA, get it! I like mimosas. Dog wine. Fruity.